All right, guys, so we got a new exhaust for the Brute Force. This is a big gun exhaust. We're gonna do a little review on it. But as you can see, this thing is filthy. So I saw some different ways of cleaning it. We're gonna try some different ways. This is stuff I have laying around the house. One, we just got some, it's not tire shine, it's just simple green. Get some PB Blaster, and then I got this little dude. Most of the time they want you to, from what I read, they run the red, not the green, but this is what I have. So we're gonna try to clean this up. We'll try like about right here. We'll do PB Blaster like about this area and over here ish with the simple green. We might even try even farther down the pipe here. We might try LA Totally Awesome. I think I still have some of that. So yeah, I don't know. Let's try this out, see what it looks like. Do PB Blaster on this side. Ooh. And you just want to go back and forth. We're just going to do this a little bit, not a whole lot, and see what kind of results we got. Get a rag. That looks so much better. Now this does have a little bit of PB Blaster, a little bit that overspray, but mostly we're gonna hit it with this guy. Some simple green. Got another pad. Clean this pad up. Simple green. See what kind of results we get with that. We'll try to keep it more down right in this area. All right, let's see what this looks like. Wow. Okay. We'll let this dry a little bit. We can see here. Whoa. Yeah, hit the PB Blaster. So right here, we have simple green. And then I didn't really touch this. I tried to leave this alone. And then this is the PB Blaster using just the green Scotch-Brite. We'll let it dry, see what it looks like. While the other two sections dry, we're gonna hit with some LA Totally Awesome right here. See if this has any difference at all. It's drying a little bit. That's the PB Blaster part. Look at the difference. But that's the PB Blaster we hit. PB Blaster still kind of sitting on that, but you can kind of get an idea of it. It's the simple green. I'll just come over here. And that's LA Totally Awesome. Now, obviously, the more you do, which I'm going to, the more you sand off with the Scotch-Brite, the cleaner it'll be. But from the looks of it, they're all doing about the same thing. They're maybe a little bit better on the PB Blaster, but not a whole lot. And the more work you put into sanding it with the Scotch-Brite, the better it's going to be. So I'm going to finish this pipe up and then see how good it looks. I'm just going to use, honestly, I just got a lot of simple green, so I'll probably just use it to finish this thing up. So ideally, you want to do this outside, but it's freezing out there and I don't feel like doing it. And I don't want to get my wife mad at me for using the sink. So we're just going to use it on the toolbox here. And but yeah, you just want to go back. If you don't want to go back like up and down, you want to kind of go around the pipe. And when you want to go down, you just lift up. Lift up, lift up. And just do that. The more you do it, the more you get off. It does take some time. And look how nice that's coming in a short amount of time. Let's see this. Look how much nicer that is. It's just crazy. Doesn't take much. Just a little bit of elbow grease, a little bit of soap, and it's good. Now, what I'm going to do to the whole pipe after we're done is use like a metal polish. The pipe's probably going to look like this again here shortly, but just when you put it on the machine, it's going to look really nice. All right, so the pipe's relatively clean. I don't have any polish, so I want to try something different. Also, what do we have in the house? Of course, WD-40. So we're going to try WD-40 on this right here. This is just cleaned. Then we're going to do WD-40 on this side and see if we can see any difference if this puts maybe a little bit of a polish on it. I don't know. Let's try it out. We're going to use the same technique. I don't know. I don't know if it did too much. Let's try. I'll be able to look back in the video and see it, but it's definitely looks a little cleaner up here. This is a little darker. Why don't we go right here? See if this turns into that. Nah, it doesn't look like it is. Looks clean. Definitely looks clean. Yeah, we'll see. We'll do the whole pipe, see what it looks like. All right, so are they perfect? No. But do they look good? Yes. They look much better than what they were when I got these things. Now, again, these are on an ATV, so they're going to get dirty again. They're going to get all messed up. They were used like half the price of buying a new system, so I can't complain. But doing this little technique worked pretty well. Obviously, it's going to smoke if we fire it back up. I'm probably going to clean these off and try to get maybe a little bit of a polish, but I don't know. They look pretty good. I'm happy with the results. I'll do a little before and after. But yeah, let me know what you guys think.